Hey there, Woolbuddy friends. Have you ever wanted to bring a piece of the desert into your home but without all the prickles? Today we're going to create a beautiful needle felted saguaro cactus. Whether you're a seasoned needle felter or a beginner, this project is perfect for you. So be sure to finish watching the video to see the final outcome. Make sure to have every color of wool shown in the video ready before we start felting. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started. First, let's create the body of our saguaro cactus. Take a generous amount of white wool roving and roll it into a cylindrical shape. Using your felting needle, start poking the wool evenly to form a firm and smooth cylinder. Remember to rotate the wool frequently to maintain an even shape. Keep felting until the cylinder is firm and holds its shape. This might take a few minutes, but patience is key to getting the right texture. After that, let's get a green wool to cover the white base, leaving the lower part uncovered. Again, just keep felting until it is firmly attached to the base and holds its shape. While we felt, let's talk about some facts regarding saguaro cactus. Did you know that saguaros can grow over 40 feet tall and live for more than 150 years? That's pretty impressive for a cactus. Now let's make the iconic upturned arms of the saguaro cactus. Take a smaller piece of green wool, roll it into thin cylinders, and felt it just like you did with the main body. As you felt, slightly fold it at the center by 90 degrees and felt it until it became firm. You can make as many arms as you want, but traditionally saguaro cacti have one or two prominent arms. So in this tutorial, we will only make 2 arms. Another fun fact is about the arms of saguaro cactus. Interestingly, these arms usually start to appear when the cactus is around 50 to 70 years old. Would you believe that? Before we attach the arms to the body, let's give our saguaro a personality by creating the mouth first. Get a green roll cylinder wool and attach it to the saguaro by poking it repeatedly. Once it is fully attached, take a thin strand of black wool and place it just below it and just felt accordingly. And now let's add some teeth. Take 4 to 5 small pieces of white wool and shape them into tooth-like shapes. Felt them along the mouth to create a fun, toothy grin. Want to try needle felting? Check out the links in the description below because it's got everything you need to bring your felting projects to life. Saguaro cactus has an extensive root system that helps them absorb as much water as possible during the infrequent desert rains, and they rely on the desert's rainwater to survive. So before we add the eyes, let's create its placement first. Get 2 rounded flat black wool and felt it on the upper front of our saguaro. After that, take small pieces of white wool and roll them into tiny balls. Felt them onto the black wool that we have attached earlier. Fun fact, did you know that the tallest saguaro ever measured was an armless specimen found near Cave Creek, Arizona? It was 78 feet 23.8 meters in height before it was toppled in 1986 by a windstorm. Going back to felting, followed by a small black dot on each eye for the pupil. Feel free to get creative with the facial features to give your cactus a unique character. Once the face is done, Attach the arms to the main body by felting the base of each arm into the sides of the cactus. And make sure the arms are securely attached and positioned to your liking. Now it's time to assemble all the pieces. Place your cactus into a pot and secure it by putting a green loose wool at the bottom of the cactus to the inside of the pot. Felt it if necessary and make sure everything is firmly attached and stands upright. Finally, let's add some finishing touches. If you want, you can also add some orange wool on top of the head, just as what I am doing to give it a decorative touch. And here we have our finished needle felted saguaro cactus. Look at the details on the eyes, mouth, teeth, and arms. I hope you had as much fun making it as I did. It's amazing what you can create with just a bit of wool and some imagination. Do you have any ideas for what we should make next? Drop your suggestions in the comments, and see you again on our next felting project. Thank you for crafting with me today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more inspiring needle felting projects.